Hi, what up? This is your girl. What up, YouTube? This is your girl PM, coming to you live from the AMPM studios. I'm here with you this evening to do an unboxing video of the Apple Pencil Generation 2.
See, you can't see it. Look.
Oh, it's too light. Right here? Bring it closer.
Yeah.
Right here.
Cool.
Alright, there it is. The pencil. We'll open it. You guys will have a good look. PM coming to you live with an unboxing video of the Apple Pencil Generation 2. So here is, I'm going to show you guys the box. Here's the side. It says pencil. Here it is. It cost 129 bucks. Shows you on right here how it magnetizes to the side of your iPad Pro, and I think that's it. Pencil here, side, flap open it, blank. Let's get into it. Let's open this. I'm gonna use this tab, peel it right off. Here it is. Let's see. There's a tab here. I think I pull this out like a little drawer. Oh, I love that. Designed by Apple in California. Here's a bunch of cards. Probably instructions in all the languages. That's nice. Here is a pencil. Oh, what a beaut. It's pretty heavy and dense. It feels very high quality. I'm super excited to use this on my iPad. One of my goals is to be more creative with my iPad Pro. It has a little slip of plastic. I'm going to take that off. The tip here is pretty stiff. Now I've used this pencil over at a bunch of stores and it works really great with the iPad. It's probably the best tablet I've used for drawing and such. And it's nice and round, it feels good. I like that it's kind of heavy and weighted. I also like about this Generation 2 is that you don't have to stick it into where you charge your iPad, where you charge your pencil. The pencil charges by sticking onto the iPad, and it's a magnet and it sticks. Magnets are always really cool. So, oh, here we go. Here's my iPad. I'm gonna move this to the side. Let's see how it sticks. Stick to this side. Probably will stick to that side. Ooh! There it is with my iPad Pro pencil. So great. I'm going to charge. Probably just needs to charge. So I'm going to stick it right there. What a beaut, people. I'm going to go, excuse me. Oh, face recognition. Perfect. Go into notes. It's the only app I have right now for drawing, and need to sync it.
Read the instructions.
Would you like this to use this pencil with your iPad? Yes. Connect. Continue. Explore. Double tap on your Apple Pencil to switch between when you're using your tool and your eraser. Okay. Oh, here we go. Only draw with iPod pencil. Thanks. Let's try the eraser part. I'm gonna double tap. Maybe that didn't work. Okay, pencil. AMPM. Adventures. There you go, guys. There'll probably be some more quality art. Right now, I'm just playing with it and having fun. Don't judge me. There you guys have it, guys. The Apple Pencil. This is awesome. So cool. If you like this video, like, subscribe. Don't like it, let us know. Leave a comment down below what you want to see. As always, thanks for watching.